Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rahul Sathe, a dentist by profession and a panelist at the Health Pals, which is a digital platform to create awareness among the public about health related concerns. I am here today to discuss a very common treatment performed by a doctor nowadays to save a tooth, that is, the RCT or the root canal treatment. To understand the RCT or the root canal treatment, let us first know about dental caries or tooth decay. Dental caries or tooth decay is a slow gradual process that involves the first layer of the tooth, that is enamel, where it is called as enamel caries. If untreated, it then reaches the dentine, that is the second layer. If untreated there also, it reaches the nerve or the pulp chamber of the tooth. At this point, you start getting sensitivity or pain. At this, your doctor has two options to treat it. One, an extraction of the tooth, or treating by a root canal treatment or RCT. No doctor or dentist will suggest you a tooth extraction, as RCT or root canal treatment is the fastest, easiest, and a non-painful procedure to save a tooth. In simple language, RCT or root canal treatments means cleaning, shaping, debridement, and disinfecting the tooth and then filling it up with an inert material like gutta-percha up to the root end. Earlier, it required multiple sittings to treat your tooth, wherein the doctor used to call you after every 2 or 3 days to clean and disinfect a tooth. But now, we do root canals in just single visit. Let us now know the latest advancements in the root canal treatment or RCT. The introduction of motorized tools like an endomotor to clean and shape the canals have made cleaning and shaping accurate and very fast. The introduction of apex locators in dentistry to gauge the canal length to a fraction of a millimeter has made a big difference. In earlier times, IOPAs or intraoral periapical X-rays were the only means used as a diagnostic tool, but now we have RVGs as well as cone beam CT, which have made a tremendous difference in imaging. The introduction of the latest sealing materials has improved the treatment prognosis immensely. What you can't see, you can't treat. Yes, I am speaking about magnification in dentistry. Microendodontics uses loupes and microscope to treat your tooth. They have taken the root canal treatment to the next level. Root canal treatment is no longer a slow and a painful treatment. Yes, you heard me right. Majority of the root canal treatments can now be completed in just one sitting, that too less than an hour. The take-home message of today's talk is the root canal treatment or the RCT is the easiest, fastest and a non-painful procedure done by a doctor to save a tooth. I sincerely hope you never require this treatment, but if you ever do, do not worry, your doctor will do a good job. Stay fit and keep smiling.